Hello, hi everyone. I'm Hutoxi Rupawala here, and I would like to share some amazing news with you, which happened with me in last few days. I was been suffering from some liver issues, and because of that issues, my SGPT, SGOT, bilirubin, and GDT were on such a high level, and because of that, I had been hospitalized, and I was under several medication for a longer duration, but nothing could cure me out. So one of my known person recommended me to Satvam Nutrition. After taking me to Satvam Nutrition, they suggested me to have a liver detox medicine for my issues because they were related to liver. I blindly trusted them and started taking those medicines. And in just span of 10 days, guys, my reports, which were of SGPT, SGOT, bilirubin, and GGT, were into thousands, have come down to the bottom line, which is 56 and 58. It is not less than a miracle for me because nothing could cure that for me. So this has been a great thing which has happened with me, and I really suggest that please whosoever is suffering from liver issues should take this medicine. Another main problem which I was facing was like constipation. So for people it is like in the morning what to cook or what to wear or where to go is a big question. For me it was like, would I get a good motion in the morning? So I was suffering with that issue, and later on when my liver issues were cured, they suggested me to take digestive enzymes, and just within 2 days, I mean within the 2 doses of the medicines which they have given me, I have got tremendous results, and my constipation has been cured completely, and I'm very happy, I'm very satisfied by the results. This for me is not less than a miracle. So I would highly recommend people who feel that there's no solution to the problems which they face when it comes to medication, please go and visit Satvam Nutrition. I really thank the whole Satvam Nutrition, GP Life Healthcare for solving my problem and making my life out of danger. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart once again.